kids! Today we're going to learn about numbers, colors, and we'll even get to hang out with our friends from Bluey.
Good day, mate.
Using these cool, colorful birthday presents. Do you know what today is? It's Bluey's birthday! A birthday is when we celebrate the day someone was born on the same day of every year. On your birthday, people like to give presents. And it looks like Bluey got lots of presents this year. Each present has a different color and a different number on it. Let's check it out. This present is red and has the number 1 on it. This present is orange and has the number 2 on it. This present is yellow and has the number 3 on it. This present is light green and has the number 4 on it. This present is green and has the number 5 on it. This present is aqua and has the number 6 on it. This present is light blue and has the number 7 on it. This present is dark blue and has the number 8 on it. This present is purple and has the number 9 on it. And this present is pink and it has the number 10 on it. That means Bluey has 10 presents all together. Wow, that sure is a lot of presents. Oh no, the presents got mixed up. Bluey wanted to open her presents in number order from 1 to 10. Do you think you could help us find each present in number order? All right, let's do it. First is the number 1. Do you see a present here with the number 1 on it? Yeah, it's right here. Here's Bluey's first present. Let's see what's inside. It's a toy airplane. Do you like watching airplanes in the sky? All right, time to move on to our next present, the number 2. Do you see a present here with the number 2 on it? Yeah, that's it way back here. Here's Bluey's second present. Let's see what she got. It's a toy cat. Can you purr like a cat? All right, time for our next present. Can you tell me what number comes after 2? Yeah, it's the number 3. Do you see a present here with the number 3 on it? Is this one the number 3? No, that one's not the number 3. Guess we better try again. Which present has the number 3 on it? Yeah, this one right here in the front. Here's Bluey's third present. Let's see what it is. It's a rubber ducky. Do you like to play with a rubber ducky in the bath? All right, what's next? After 3 comes the number 4. Do you see a present here with the number 4 on it? Yeah, this one right here. Here's Bluey's 4th present. Can't wait to see what it is. It's a toy stegosaurus. A stegosaurus is a type of dinosaur. What's your favorite dinosaur? All right, time for our next gift. After 4 is the number 5. Do you see a present here with the number 5 on it? Yeah, it's this one down here. Time for Bluey to see what her 5th present is. It's a teddy bear. Do you sleep with a teddy bear at night? All right, what number comes after 5? Yeah, it's the number 6. Do you see a present here with the number 6 on it? Is it this present right here? No, that one's not the number 6. Better try again. Yeah, it's this one back here. Here's Bluey's 6th present. Hope it's a good one. It's a toy robot. Can you dance like a robot? All right, time to move on to our next present. We just opened number 6, so that means 7 comes next. Do you see a present here with the number 7 on it? Yeah, this one right here. Here's Bluey's 7th present. I wonder what it is. It's a toy truck. Can you make a loud noise and pretend to be a truck? All right, after 7 comes the number 8. Do you see a present here with the number 8 on it? Yeah, it's this one back here. I wonder what Bluey's 8th present is. It's a guitar. Do you know how to play the guitar? All right, we're running out of presents here. Only 2 left. We just opened present number 8. What comes after 8? Yeah, it's the number 9. Which of these presents has the number 9 on it? Yeah, this one right up here. Bluey's 9th present should be a good one. It's a teapot. Do you like to drink hot tea? Or maybe iced tea? All right, after number 9 comes the number 10. And we only have 1 present left, so here it is. Last but not least, here's our 10th gift for Bluey. Let's see what it is. It's a toy bunny rabbit. Can you wiggle your nose like a bunny? All right, we did it. We opened all of Bluey's birthday presents in order from 1 to 10.
Thanks heaps, mates.
Thanks so much for playing with me today. I hope you had fun. Do you know what day your birthday is? All right, I'll see you again next time. Bye.